guys, do you want to do some project with Nika?
Yes.
Let's show some project, yes, together.
Oh, close your eyes.
Okay, close your eyes, guys.
One. Open your eyes.
Wow, what we have here, Nika?
I'm making is bird.
We have some pictures. Yes, we have some pictures. We have to paint it. But today we're not gonna paint it. We're gonna do the colors with rice.
Nice.
Flowers, penguin, and duck.
Yes, and we have 5 containers
Yes.
full of with rice, white rice, and we have food coloring. Yes,
Yes. Let's
and school glue,
school glue.
spoon, and brush.
Let's
So let's start it. Yes. Now we're gonna show everyone how to color pictures with rice and colors. Yes. Red.
this one.
That's not red. That's a pink one. Pink color. And that one is a black one. Green one. Let's choose 5 colors.
A purple, blue, green, and purple.
Yes. So now let's choose 5 colors so we can color flowers, penguin, and duck. Yes, Nika?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's open.
Mm-hmm.
Open.
Open it and put some 2-3 drops, not too much. Okay, because it's gonna be too much color.
Okay, put it.
Yes, small. Not too much, yeah.
More.
Don't touch, yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I think it's enough. You can stop to drop it. Yeah. Now you have to get a spoon and mix it.
Okay, mix it.
Ah, yes.
I think it's correct.
Yes, let's see how color will change.
Oh no!
That's too much, Nika. That's too much. It's not good. You have to put a little bit, not too much. Okay, now let's mix it. Okay, mix the color. Wow, it's turned red. Okay, let's do the next one, alright?
Nice.
Now you're doing the green one.
1.
Green color. Now mix it.
Slime.
Mix it.
Okay, so red is a green, orange is blue, is purple.
All colors is ready.
Yes.
Let's start it.
Okay. Blue. Wow. And rainbow.
Rainbow colors. Okay.
Let's start it. Wow.
So first we are gluing with school glue. So the rice can stick it. Yes, Nick? Yeah. You can choose the color. What color you want to color with the small duck, baby duck? Choose the color.
I want blue one.
Blue one, okay. Okay, let me take this brush. Okay.
Sprinkle.
Okay, the duck is ready.
Next one, this one.
Next one is a mommy duck. Let's
Mommy
do
duck.
it. We have to put a lot of glue in mommy duck.
Mommy has
Which color you want?
red one.
Red one, mommy duck. Okay, let's do red one. Okay, we have to put a lot of glue.
Red dog.
Big, a lot of glue. Enough? You sure? I think we need a lot.
What?
Yes,
Sure.
a lot.
That's enough.
I think it's enough. Yeah, it's too much. Okay.
This is the mommy dog. Yes, please play Lilo.
Okay. All right.
So much.
Yeah, we need like a lot of glue so the rice can stick it, because if you put a little bit, it's not sticking the glue. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. We try once with a small slide, like a small part of glue, but it's not working good. So we have to put a little bit more.
More?
Yes, much more. More.
More?
Mm-hmm. No, you have to put here too.
What?
Too much color, yes, because you put a lot of food color. Show me your hand. Show me. Oh my god. Oh my god. What you did. Alright. Guys, you can try this at home with your mommy or daddy. It's so much fun. This color is cleaning after shower. But it's so much fun. It's very interesting. Yes, Nika, you like it? Yeah, Nika like it because this is not her first time.
No, yes.
No, yes. Yeah, last time she did a butterfly. I'll show you the next video.
Look.
Now, next do the next one. So this is our mommy duck. It's not look like that because we didn't clean it yet.
And
Yeah, after drying the rice, you have to clean it a little bit. So the picture came out nicely. And now she's doing the other duck.
another
Yes,
dog.
Nika.
Yes.
Yes. The last duck, we're gonna color the green color.
Too much. Too much. Too much. Yeah.
So let's wash your hands.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Project is done.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Like it.
Yes.
And try this at home with your mommy or daddy. Okay, Nika?
Yes.
Goodbye.